Okay, guys, still on my Zoom. We're talking about, there's my people that I'm in Zoom with. We have a sell-off. That was a sell-off. Remember, I got short 41.58 evens at 920. Real trade. It's 826. That is 926. 6 minutes later, we're up 500. Why don't we cover this one right about here? There we go. There's a cover. 58, sold off 58s. About 49 halves. It's almost 10 handles. 10 handles in 6 minutes. Not bad. That's $400. We're up 2,500 right now. So, trading, stay focused. Look at the trade. Understand the trade. Wait for your high probability trades. I'm only jumping in here with these when I see high probability trades. That's a $2,500 a day. I was already up $1,000 before I started talking to you guys. So that's what I'm sharing with you all. We're continuing to sell off. So there might be another trade in here. Opportunity is when we get volatility. So a lot of opportunity right now. So trade smart.